Okay, so next let's talk about the nasal rinse. So this is the 1% iodine solution in the syringe. I'm going to show you how to do that. So first just open up your syringe, and this is a 3cc syringe. There's a cap on it, take the cap off. Here is your 1% iodine. What you do is just open that up and draw up 3 cc's. Just pull back. We're going to do one nostril at a time. Okay, so all you do is you want to tilt your head downward and you want it to go into your nose. And the goal is to basically think of it like a water hose, and you want to just rinse out all of the tissue that's in there that might be infected with the COVID. So you just tilt your head down over your sink and then go ahead and just squirt it in there. Then get some more and do the other side. Just tilt your head to the other side and just try and make sure you get it all in the back. And just keep doing that until, a couple times. Do that a couple times. Now, according to the FLCCC protocol, you only have to put a few drops in, but I like to just really make sure I've gotten all the tissues back there, all coated in iodine. Okay, I'm just going to tissue a lot off your nose. That's it.